Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it because I know it has been a minute since I have been back here. I recently did a video showing you guys this amazing wax warmer from Tress Wellness. It has been getting so much love and I appreciate everybody that has been watching that video, honestly. I wanted to do a comparison video featuring another wax warmer that I do have on my channel. So I just wanted to actually bring you guys my opinion on the benefits of each one, the differences of each one, and just compare the two just so you can tell for yourself if you're interested in purchasing a wax warmer for yourself which one I think might be the best bang for your buck. So without further ado, if you guys are ready for this video, please make sure to like this video right now, comment below because I love to chat with you guys, and as always, please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you never miss another one of my videos. Okay guys, let's get right into it. So first, I want to just show you guys what each one looks like right now. This one is the Tress Wellness Wax Warmer, and this one is the Gigi Wax Warmer. As you can see, they are completely different sizing, and that's the first thing I wanted to kick it off with, was showing you guys the sizes of each. This one's actually bigger than your standard at-home waxing kit, so if size is something that matters to you and you're looking for something a little bit bigger, this one might be the one you're going to. But if you want something that's a little bit smaller, something that may be easier to store and hide, maybe the Gigi Wax Warmer might be a better fit for you. This one obviously comes with a top. The Gigi Wax Warmer did not come with a top. It doesn't come with anything at all, honestly. It just comes with this wax warmer and you get a metal can that you can purchase separately that goes inside of it, whereas the Tress Wellness kit comes with everything you'll need, and this is the metal bucket that goes inside of it. As you can see, still have some wax in there. The circular pot, a part of the both wax warmers, are honestly both the same size. I think they both fit like a 14-ounce can. So even though these two wax warmers are different in sizes, they do hold the same ounce of wax. So guys, that's really the only difference in terms of size for these wax warmers, but they both come in boxes. So if you are a little bit worried about storing it, the Gigi Wax Warmer, because it is so small, comes in a smaller box, and the Tress Wellness Wax Warmer, because it's a little bigger, still comes in a box. Still very easy to store, so I think size in this case is something cool to note, but it really doesn't make that much of a difference. So the next thing I want to compare, guys, is the price point of each wax warmer. This one was actually $39.95. The Gigi Wax Warmer, because I got it from Sally's, it was like $25, but on their website, I think it's like a $28 wax kit. With giving you that information, next I honestly just want to talk about the value of each one. This Tress Wellness wax kit was more than I could have imagined, and definitely more bang for my buck. If you saw my last video, I'll even put in some clips right here. This wax warmer came with everything you will need to achieve the perfect wax at home by yourself, hands down. I don't think you can beat a deal like that, and it's honestly really good quality as well. I've been really using it. It's been my go-to wax kit. No offense. For $39.95, I would consider possibly thinking about just getting the entire kit that comes with this, as opposed to buying everything individually, which brings me to the Gigi Wax Warmer. This one I got at Sally's Beauty for about $25. It is available on the Gigi website for like $28, and sometimes it does go on sale, but that was only this wax kit. So already more than half of whatever came in this you're spending just on the wax kit alone. However, I do want to say that Gigi does offer an entire wax kit that is comparable to the Tress Wellness one, except it's about $104. I just have to say that. So I think when it comes to value, guys, Tress Wellness might be the better bang for your buck. Alright guys, so the next thing I want to talk about is the quality of the wax that is used for both of these brands. Tress Wellness has their own kind of wax, and so does Gigi. They have their own wax too. Gigi offers many different kinds of wax styles that you can use all for the same wax kit. Everything from hard wax beads to like a honey-based wax. Gigi has about, I think, 7 different waxes that you can choose from. So it is really cool that you have different options available to you to decide which is the best for your skin type as well as what's going to be the most comfortable for you. For me, I use the hard wax beads that are sold separately, so they don't come together, as opposed to this one. It did offer about 5 different beads, but I'll get to that in a second. The wax beads are typically $23, $24, or you can find them for about $17, $18. So think about that as far as price range goes when it comes to having to buy the bags. I will say that a bag of hard wax beads from Gigi actually lasted me a little bit longer than just one bag of the Tress Wellness. It was a cool caveat that this one came with 5 different wax beads, but this bag lasted a long time for me. The wax that Gigi offers to me was a little bit thicker, making the application process a little bit smoother and things coming off in kind of just one easy grip, not leaving leftover wax together because it was so thick that everything just kind of dried and clumped together really, really nicely, leaving like a nice grip to it, not having to like, you know, pluck too much. And I don't know, I really did like this wax, if I'm honest. I really did. So going in about the Tress Wellness wax, this is actually one of the 5 bags that came in the package, and this is actually the one I'm using right now. This is the eucalyptus scent. For me, this wax seems to be a little bit thinner and takes a little bit more to apply on top of one another, not as thick as the Gigi wax does offer. So for individual bags that are sold separately on Amazon for Tress Wellness, you can find a range from $9 to about $20, which is just a little bit in the same range as Gigi. So the wax beads are definitely still sold separately. I only have the smaller bags, but they do offer some bigger bags online, whereas the wax beads that come in the same count for Gigi are all the same price. So it really just depends on what kind of scent that you're going for with Tress Wellness, and that depends on the price. Tress Wellness does offer a package of 6 bags for only $29.95, which is about $5 a bag for 6 bags. And it also comes with more sprays and some more applicators. So you're kind of getting a little bit more for your money as well, whereas Gigi kind of just gives you your wax kit and you still have to buy everything separately. So as far as how long the bag lasts, guys, I found that the Gigi wax bags lasted a little bit longer for me for over many applications, whereas just one of these small Tress Wellness bags only did one of those arms, as you saw in that video. So I think for me, even though I really love this kind of wax, I'm probably gonna have to upgrade myself to the bigger wax bags just to see how long those last, and I'll get back to you on that. Alright guys, so last but not least is the quality of these wax kits, and honestly you may be able to tell just by looking at them. This Gigi wax warmer only comes with an on-off switch, so you don't know how hot it is going to get, which could potentially be very dangerous and painful for you. That's exactly why I really like the Tress Wellness wax system, because it comes with a digital clock warmer where you'll be able to know exactly the degree that it's on, which will prevent you from burning yourself or causing any pain to yourself as well, because you'll be able to know how hot it is and you'll also be able to cool it down. Essentially, this is just the better wax warmer for safety, and ultimately if you're doing this at home by yourself, that might be your best bet. Alright guys, so I broke down everything from the size, the price, the quality, the wax, and the quality of the wax warmer itself. Now I honestly just want to give you the one that I feel like is the winner, and you probably know by now too. It is definitely this Tress Wellness wax kit. Not also because it is my favorite color, purple, I'm sorry Gigi, but ultimately it really is the better system for a person like me who does my waxes by myself. I like the fact that I can depend on it. I like that it has control for me to not burn myself, which is something that I had done a lot in the past, especially with using this wax warmer. And overall, it's just really simple and easy to use, and I really like that Tress Wellness cares about the people who are doing this on their own and literally giving you everything you need in your starter kit. I don't think you can go wrong with spending only $40 to get this from Amazon, guys, so I'm picking Tress Wellness as the winner, but you probably already knew that already. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys are interested in getting your own waxing kit from Tress Wellness, I have a link in my description below where you can click to get a discount off your purchase from Amazon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.